Today I am reviewing HP Pro Tower 290G9. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a desktop computer that delivers solid business performance, incredible reliability, and a modern computing experience without breaking the bank, then the HP Pro Tower 290G9 is definitely worth your attention. This machine is designed with professionals in mind, offering everything you need to handle demanding workloads with speed, efficiency, and stability, all while keeping your workspace neat and organized. At the heart of this HP desktop is the 13th generation Intel Core i3-13100 processor. Don't be fooled by the i3 label. This is no entry-level chip. With 4 performance cores and 8 threads, a 12 MB Intel Smart Cache, and turbo boost speeds up to 4.5 GHz, it performs impressively well for business tasks, multitasking, and even light creative work. Whether you're running multiple apps, managing spreadsheets, or browsing dozens of browser tabs, the HP Pro Tower stays fast and responsive. It's especially efficient for office setups, point-of-sale systems, or small business environments that need dependable speed every day. The desktop comes equipped with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is absolutely generous for a business PC. This amount of memory allows you to multitask freely. You can run complex data tools, edit documents, stream content, and handle background apps simultaneously without any lag. The memory is also expandable up to 64 GB, so you have room to grow if your workflow ever demands more power in the future. Storage is another strong point. With a 1 TB PCIe solid-state drive, the HP Pro Tower ensures super-fast boot times, rapid file transfers, and overall system responsiveness. Applications launch almost instantly, and you'll have plenty of space for business data, media, and software without worrying about slowdowns or clutter. When it comes to visuals, the system uses Intel UHD Graphics 730, an integrated GPU that's well-suited for general business graphics, media playback, and light photo or video editing. While it's not built for high-end gaming, it's perfectly capable of running 4K monitors, handling dual display setups via HDMI and VGA, and delivering crisp visuals for productivity tasks. Connectivity on the HP Pro Tower is excellent. You get a total of 8 USB ports, 4 high-speed USB 3.2 ports on the front, and 4 USB 2.0 ports on the back for peripherals like printers or scanners. There's also an HDMI port, VGA port, RJ45 Ethernet jack, and a combined headphone microphone jack. The included USB Wi-Fi adapter adds wireless connectivity if you prefer not to use a wired network. It also ships with a wired HP keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. The system runs on Windows 11 Pro, which is ideal for business and professional environments. You get enhanced security, remote desktop access, BitLocker encryption, and better control over updates, all of which make it a reliable choice for both office and remote work setups. Build quality is classic HP, clean, solid, and compact. Measuring around 12 by 6 by 13 inches, the tower fits easily on or under your desk without taking up much space. Despite its compact size, it includes useful business-grade security features like a Trusted Platform Module 2.0, a padlock loop, and options for cable locks, perfect for protecting your data and hardware. In terms of energy efficiency, HP has made efforts to keep this system eco-friendly. It includes up to 15% post-consumer recycled plastics and an 80+ gold-certified power supply, which improves efficiency and reduces energy waste. Overall, the HP Pro Tower 290G9 is a smart, dependable desktop for small businesses, professionals, and even home users who want stable, long-term performance. It's fast, reliable, upgradable, and backed by HP's trusted reputation for quality. You get professional-grade features at a price that makes sense, making it one of the best value business desktops on the market right now. If you want a PC that boots quickly, handles your day-to-day tasks effortlessly, and offers plenty of room to expand, this HP desktop is a fantastic choice. Whether you're setting up a new office, upgrading from an older system, or just want a dependable workstation for home productivity, the HP Pro Tower delivers where it counts: power, reliability, and performance.